Hey everyone, it's Lacey from Grandma Auto Repair, and it's time for our second customer appreciation drawing for the week of May 11th through 15th, 2020. Okay, as a reminder, or in case you don't know what this drawing is all about, we are having a drawing for every week in the month of May to show support to local restaurants here in Graham, and we are giving away a $50 gift card. This week we have a gift card to the Thai Mekong restaurant here in Graham. So we have all of our contestants from week 1 in May and week 2. Once you're in the drawing, unless you win, you are in it for the entire month. And I've mixed it up pretty good. Let's get Brian so that he can draw our second winner. Do you need somebody to hold it for you?
No, I got it.
Okay.
I got this. No looking, of course. Kristin Tag. Congratulations. You just won a gift certificate to Thai Mekong.
Should we call her?
Yes. Good afternoon, Kristin. Brian at Grandma Auto Repair. How are you? I'm doing fantastic. I got some good news for you. So you were entered in the drawing for our $50 gift card, and you won. Yes, you won a $50 gift certificate to Thai Mekong. So it's here. Yeah, you can come down whenever you're ready. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Kristin is our second winner for the second drawing.
Yay!
We won the gift card to Thai Mekong right here in Graham.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Hey, thank you.
Anytime. We appreciate everything that you do.
Yeah,
We appreciate
me too.
letting us serve you, and we hope that the family enjoys that.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want more information on how you can win,
Check out our Facebook page.
talk to you later.
Huh?
Are you already recording?
Oh yeah.
He's like, I've been rolling.
Oh yeah. So we've been rolling forever. Take 2.